Alright, so we're asked to calculate the surface area of this triangular prism based on the information that we've been given. So when we calculate surface area, we need to break the prism down into its faces or its surfaces and calculate the area of each of those surfaces in turn. And this triangular prism has 5 faces. I can see the triangle that I've shaded green facing towards us, and then an identical triangle, one that's exactly the same and therefore will have the same area, facing away from us. I can then see 3 rectangles, one a long thin one at the back there, a larger fatter one that the prism is sitting on, and then a slanted one here that we can see. So we're going to have to calculate the surface area of each one of those in turn, and let's start with the triangle because it's, well, number 1 because it's facing us, and number 2 because it's one of the easiest. So the area of the triangle, we know that formula, that's half of the base times the height. Now in this case it will be half of 6 times 2.5, which is equal to 3 times 2.5, which is equal to 7.5 meters squared. Alright, next let's look at, let's see whether I can't do some fancy shading. Let's look at that one that I've just shaded blue. Now I'll just draw a little picture of it over here so we can picture it really clearly. So it's got 2.5 meters as its height. We've been given 10 meters across the top, but that of course means it's also 10 meters across the bottom. So the area of that rectangle is going to be equal to its base times its height, which in this case is 10 meters times 2.5 meters, which is going to be 25 meters squared.